Hi, in this session, let us try to understand what do we mean by factors. Let us try to keep it simple. Suppose I have a number, say 12. I want to find out what are the factors of 12. What do I mean by this? Is that I want to find out those number which divide this number 12 exactly. Now if you know that 12 is exactly divisible by 1, isn't it? 1 times 12 is 12. Yes. This 12 is exactly divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the only numbers which divide this number 12 exactly. Right? So without leaving, they don't leave any remainder. What do I mean by divides this number exactly? I mean that when we are dividing this 12 with these numbers, they don't leave any remainder. Or I can say that 12 is exactly divisible by these numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Or I can say these numbers as factors of 12. Right? Similarly, if I want to say find out the factors of 24, I want to find out those numbers which divide this 24 exactly. That means they don't leave any remainder, or they get a quotient as the whole number. So what are the factors of 24? Obviously 1. Of course it is 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are those numbers which divide 24 exactly without leaving any remainder. So you can say these as the factors of 24. Or in fact, in any multiplication, say I give you 5 times 3 is 15. So I can say in this case 5 and 3 as factors of 15. Okay, these 5 and 3, they are factors of 15. So if I try to put this definition in another term, say I want to find out the factors of a number 16. That means to say I want to find out all those values which when multiplied by some other number will give me an answer 16. Right? That is what we do. Suppose I start with 1. 1 times 16 will give you 16. So 1 factors of 16 are 1 and 16 definitely. But before that we want to see if there are any more numbers which give me the same result. Now you know 2 times 8 is 16. So you have 2 and 8 as the next set of two factors. 3 does not divide, but yes, 4 times 4 is 16. So we have 4. 5, 6, 7 and they don't divide 16. What we have is 8 and the next number is 16 itself. So what are the factors of 16? You have 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are the factors, or what you say, these are those numbers which divide this number 16 exactly without leaving any remainder.